Troy Wilson, I'm Blast. This is the best jerk chicken I've ever had in my life, right here at Nefertiti. And I came here before and I had some omelets. It's the best ever. It's real.
Thank you very much.
Try it. Come and see it. It's real.
Thank you.